Good afternoon, and welcome to the nation's Constitution Center. I had the great privilege of being the guest leader of this outfit for a year. It's the appropriate place to make the speech I'm about to make. I attended Mass earlier today and prayed for Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg and her family. The nation lost a heroine, an icon. They also lost a mother, a grandmother, and a matriarch. We know how hard that is to watch a piece of your soul absorb the cruelty and the pain of the dreadful disease of cancer. I spoke to her daughter and her granddaughter last night, expressing my whole family, my whole family's sorrow, particularly my granddaughters, one of whom was a student of Ruth Bader Ginsburg's daughter at Columbia. They made clear to me, daughter and granddaughter, that until the very end, Justice Ginsburg displayed the character and courage we'd expect of her. He said she held their hand and gave them strength and purpose to carry on. It's been noted that she passed away on Rosh Hashanah. By tradition, a person who dies during the Jewish New Year is considered a soul of great righteousness. That was Ruth Bader Ginsburg, a righteous soul. And it was my great honor when I was in the Senate and chairman of the Judiciary Committee to preside over her confirmation hearings and strongly support her accession to the Supreme Court bench. Justice Ginsburg achieved a standing few justices have or ever will. She became a presence in the lives of so many Americans and a part of our culture. I agree with what others have said, that she did as much to advance the constitutional rights, opportunities, and justice for women as Justice Marshall did for African Americans. Yes, there was humor in mentions of the notorious RBG and her impressive exercise routines, but there was so much more. She was, to use an overused word, a trailblazer, a role model, a source of hope, and a powerful voice for justice. She was proof that courage and conviction and moral clarity can change not only the law, but can change our culture, can change the world. And I believe in the days and months and years ahead, she will continue to inspire millions of Americans all across this country. And together, we can and we will continue to be a voice for justice in her name. Her granddaughter said yesterday and said publicly that her dying words were, quote, "My most fervent wish is that I not be replaced until a new president is installed." As a nation, we should heed her final call to us, not as a personal service to her, but as a service to the country, our country, at a crossroads. There's so much at stake. The right to health care, clean air, clean water, the environment, equal pay for equal work, the rights of voters, immigrants, women, workers. And right now, our country faces a choice about whether we will come back from the brink. That's what I'd like to talk with you about for a few minutes today. Within an hour of news of her passing, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said President Trump